What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash. In today's video, I know you want to know, is MCA a scam? Can you make money with it, and how does it work? I'm going to cover all of that in this one video, so watch the entire thing, all right? So, is MCA a scam? First question. Definitely not. This company has been around since 1926, you guys. 1926, that is a whole lot of years in business. Look them up, check out the background, do your full research on this company before you decide to throw the word scam out there. Also, this company has made a lot of people, and I'm talking about thousands upon thousands of people, a lot of good money, allowing them to be able to work from home and take care of their families, you guys. So let's take a look at that.
Today's the 23rd of February, and I got paid $2,698. Not bad.
This is Gerard Iber with Motor Club of America. Today was actually payday. I got paid $3,585 with 33 cents. This was my pay for the week. Okay. Almost 3,600.
So check this out, guys. I got paid on Friday. And I just wanted to let you guys know this is a legitimate company. It is not a scam. I would not be putting my face out there if this was a scam, okay? This is a legitimate company. This company's been around for over 60 years.
Just 1 second so you can see this is my name. So this is not fake. This is my name, my actual account. I'm going to go ahead and click Associates and then Associate Payments. And as you can see, recently I've made almost 13,000. The following week I made 2,600, I'm sorry, and then 961. Only because I've been traveling with my family, I really try to focus on them. Pretty much what you're doing is you're posting ads for the company. When you post ads, it generates sales for the company, and when that happens, the company pays you commission. Simple as that.
Today's payday. Every Friday you get paid, and I want to take out my paycheck to show you I'm really making money. This is real money. So, guys, I made this in a week. This is about $3,000 right here in 1 week of just posting ads online.
So, since we did a proof video last on the 10th of the month, which it went out on the 9th, MCA has sent me, well, they sent me 10,000 today. But since the 9th or the 10th, we got another 10,000 last week, basically, then another almost 8,000. So, in the last 3 weeks since my last proof video, MCA has sent me $28,000.
So as you can see, you guys, people are making really good money with this company, right? And so the question is, can you make money with it? And the answer is yes, if you put in the time, the effort, and the work. So how does this really work, right? So our company is going to pay you $80, sometimes $90 in commission per sale, right? We're something like AAA, but AAA on steroids, right? We offer a membership benefits package that's going to allow you to get free towing for up to 100 miles, credit card protection, all kinds of benefits, and they all work, you guys. And we also have a corporate office, which I'll show you here. Got to the corporate headquarters, you guys. That's TVC Marketing, MCA. Okay, just so y'all know, me and my boy Byron. Alright, we're about to go in here to the corporate office to let y'all know that this is a real company, alright? So, let's go. Let's get it. MCA. Alright, opening the door to the corporate office. Let's go.
Welcome to MCA, Byron and Jeremy.
Hey, how's it going?
Great, how are you guys?
We're doing great. We just wanted to show people that this is actually a real business.
Well, we are very real, and we're here anytime you guys need us.
All right. Thank you. You see?
You are so welcome.
MCA.
This is all the confirmation you guys need.
Real business, real people. That's the corporate office located in Oklahoma. So the scam word is out the question. It's a legit business. It's an actual company. People are really making money with this thing, you guys. And so, you pay your 40 bucks, right? $20 a month after that. That's going to maintain your benefits, right? After that, anybody that you see that could use these services, which pretty much everybody can use these services, it's things that you're going to need throughout your life. You say, hey, John, we have this benefit package. If you ever had a flat tire, MCA will come pick you up for free, tow you up to 100 miles each and every time. Things like that, And if they say, hey, okay, I'm interested in that, they decide they want to get started with the membership, the company MCA is going to pay you $80. Simple as that. That's how people are making money, and living, great lives and being able to work from home, you guys. And a lot of people are doing it. It's really the work you put in is the money that you're going to receive. We have one of the largest, if not the largest teams in this company. Six figures is pretty much probably the largest team in the company. The group is about 40,000 members and counting. It's growing faster every day. So, if this is an opportunity that you guys are wanting to get a part of or be a part of, contact me. All my information is in the description below this video. My cell phone, you can text me. You can reach me by email. I've made good money with this company, you guys. I've been with the company for 3 years now and counting. All right, so let's get you paid. The scam word is out the window, you guys. I'm just telling you right now, don't pass up this opportunity because of, he say, she say. Please don't. It's good money to be made here, and you deserve a better life. You know what I mean? Even if you don't do this full time, part time, just making a couple extra dollars, a couple extra hundred, maybe a couple $1,000s online would do you some good. You get all the training you need and everything. So definitely, give this company a shot. This is a review. It's definitely not a scam. This company has been helping thousands of people, and I see people's lives change daily with this company, you guys. So don't believe the craziness out here about, this company being a scam. It's definitely not. And I wish to see you guys on the other side or at the bank or at the beach. And that's where I'm going to be at, you guys. So get started with the information. $40. You will need a debit or a credit card. And go ahead and contact me if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.